Hello. Today I'm going to be giving a brief overview of the Sheerin memo order. This is useful for expanding the number of lucky cases you can take advantage of, doing more ergonomic solutions because of the initial pin positions, and avoiding D moves. I will make future tutorials going over the specifics. If you haven't seen my no flip tutorial already, I'd recommend checking that out first. So let's get into the actual memo order. Keep in mind that you don't actually have to change the way that you do all the memo calculations, but I just do that to keep my head straight so I don't accidentally do a typical Sheerin memo calculation. So let's get into it. The first calculation, M1, is U minus L plus D minus R. So 2 minus 7, negative 5, plus 1 minus 10, which equals negative 9. So negative 5 plus negative 9 equals negative 14. Negative 14 equals negative 2. Okay. Now M2, R minus D. So 10 minus 1, which equals 9, which equals negative 3. Now M3, C minus U, so 11 minus 2, which equals 9, which equals negative 3. Now C minus R, so 11 minus 10, 1. And M5, which is L minus M4, so 4 minus 1, which equals 3. All right, so our memo is negative 2, negative 3, negative 3, 1, 3, or E sum 1, 3. Okay, so now the execution. So this pin down, and I can do M5, which was 3, while solving that. Then I can do this as normal. Now R pins up, and I can do M1, negative 2, and then solve this. Then M2, negative 3, M3, which was also negative 3, and M4, which is 1. And I can solve it to 12. We skipped this corner, but you can just solve it how you usually do. I hope you all enjoy this video and expect more advanced tutorials to come going over the specific applications and uses of Sheerin.